Hello. Hello, and thank you for that, Jordan Molesky. And now we are going to tell the weather. Well, right now it is sunny, shady for today. The flowers are blooming. It's a hot day, and it should be about 85 degrees. There will be no rain. It is a little cloudy, more sunny. It'll be sunny later today. I think today is a perfect day for a swim or a picnic. Thank you for watching the S. Molesky News. Goodbye and have a good day.